Yeah, there we go. It's coming undone nicely. Let's see if we can pop it open. Yes! This is what it looks like. Comes right out. Bring a new one in. Just push it on in there. So I connected it here. It's housing. So it's secure. And now we're going to bolt it in. Yep. Just plugged right in. Grabbing my bolts. Yeah! Hey, so today we're gonna do a little car stuff. A real simple replacement, but I've never done this before. So, today we're going to replace the cam crank sensor on my car, which is a stick shift, because it's been running a little rough lately. I got the code thing done. This is what it needs. So follow along if you want to check out how to do it. Hi, Tigra. Okay, so this is supposed to be a really easy install. Basically, we got a bolt that we've got to undo, and then the other end just comes right out. So, got to have our little fitting wrench right there, a flathead just in case to pry open the other end. So this is the Hyundai Ascent, top of the engine. We're gonna go right on in here. Now this piece right here is the top, and then it goes all the way to here. And this is where the bolt is. We'll undo the bolt, disconnect this right here, put in the new part. That's all she wrote. Let's get to it. So I have the wrench connected, and it's connected to a joint that makes it smaller, so I can have a smaller fitting on there, and then I can reach in there and get it. Yeah, there we go. It's coming undone nicely. A little tricky to maneuver. I don't need this big old thing in there. Small one. Cutesy. Alright, there it is. It's coming loose. Very loose. Yeah, there we are. Alright, that's out. Let's not lose that. And let's see if we can pop it open. Oh, come on. Tired of diddling with it, dude. Want it out. Get the fuck out. I feel like I'm making a little bit of progress there. Come on. Yes! Woo! Kitchen knife. That made me happy. Okay. This is what it looks like. Got a little electrical thing there. Now we just gotta undo this clip. I'm trying to get this clip undone here. Alright. Okay. So it's out of the little clip. There we go. That's what I thought. Alright, undo that little thingy. Comes right out. Gotta bring our new one in. Just push it on in there. That's it. So I connected it here and it's housing. It's all secure, and now we're going to bolt it in. Gotta make sure that the O from the previous sensor came off too. So that was a good catch. Yep, it just plugged right in. I'm grabbing my bolts. I'm just gonna hand thread it till it's tight enough. Yeah. All right. All right, let's see if we can start it up and if it starts quickly. Hopefully, cross your fingers. Let's see if this worked. Yeah! Way cool! Bueno! Yeah! Alright, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me on this video. Hopefully you learned something. I definitely did. I love doing these little DIYs because they're so simple. You just need tools to make them happen. So, yeah. I am definitely not an expert. I do not know what I'm doing, but it seems simple enough to do, so decided to do it. Thanks for joining me on this video. Feel free to follow along for more videos. See you next time. Oh, come on. This is what gloves are for. Yeah, just like that. Okay. It's supposed to be like a 5-minute job, but it's just hard to get to. Yeah, like how do you pop that sucker off? Pop it like it's hot. I'll try it one more time. One more time. Where do I begin? Well, I need to leverage it somehow. This thing was shorter. I'm gonna go get a kitchen knife because that's all I can think to do. Put away your tools when you're done using them.